All right, boys, here it is. The very last video you probably will see in a while of Stevo, our gray Evo 10. Hope you guys are having a good day. Welcome back to the channel. We finished up the entire detail yesterday, got this thing ceramic coated. She looks so freaking good. Now today, we have a few little things to do, nothing major. It rained all morning, and of course I rode the bike today. Being that we ceramic coated the car yesterday, if it continues raining, which it's not right now, we can actually go take it out and drive the car today and get some serious miles on it. So let's get a few things knocked out of the way. First up, where is my Cerakote trim coat? I'm gonna run through real quick and just hit all the little areas that are bare plastic. For example, that piece down there, the mirror caps here, and that might be it. Crusty black on a nice polished finish. Does not really flow that well. All of the random little things are back on the car. Hood vents, fender vents, our orange side markers, which look a little bit funny with the red wheels. But car looks good now, so we need to move on to getting this thing actually drivable. What I mean by that is some Stop Tech stainless brake lines, and then R1 Concepts sent over a few packages. We're gonna be testing out their brake products, and if they're really good, we're gonna be working with them long-term, brakes on all of the cars. So we got 2 boxes here. I think the brakes for Bobby's STI and the Evo 10. Let's go ahead and open them up and see what we got. All right, here they are. Rear rotors and pads, front rotors and pads, drilled and slotted. I've never had the luxury of running the R1 Concepts before. If any of you guys have in the past or are currently, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the R1 Concepts products. All right, let's get this car on the lift, get all these new brake parts installed. Jared's on his way right now, so we can get the brakes bled, and we should be good. You wanna know some shit? All right, we got the first rotor on and new pads are in, brake line is on. So there was already hard brake lines on this car, but it still utilizes the factory hard line. So I have these guys laying around. If anyone wants them, shoot me a DM on Instagram. It just replaces the factory rubber hose with a braided line, and then it'll connect to this hard line right here. That is stock. So yeah, if anyone needs a set of braided lines, hit me up. We have 3 rotors and pad sets left, and we'll be good. So we're all finished up with the brakes on the Evo. Change of plans. We're actually taking the STI, the hatch STI that we have not touched forever. That build is also so close to being done. We are taking this thing down to Elko tomorrow to get tinted. So I decided to give her a quick bath, get it cleaned up a little bit, and then we can head down and get this car tinted. This build is so close to being done. Tint is one of the major things I've been wanting on this car. Let's finish getting her washed up. We can head out. I'm not really supposed to put a lot of miles on the car right now because it's still got the tune on the ECU for the old 2-liter, but I think it'll be fine just to drive down to Elko. Quick update on the iDoing radio that we installed in the hatch. I thought it didn't have actual CarPlay. It does. They hit me up and let me know that CarLink 2.0 is actual CarPlay. It works perfectly fine without the cable. Figure out how to update you guys. I'll go ahead and link this radio down below once again. What's up, bro? What's up? All right, we made it down to Elko. We got 3 windows tinted so far, and then Alex is gonna do the windshield. How you been, bro?
Busy as heck.
All right, guys, car's all finished up. Thank you, bro. What do you think? Black roof?
Definitely, yeah.
I think it looks sick. That clutch is pretty stiff.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Definitely stiff.
Yeah, it is stiff. Dude, that looks so good.
Oh yeah, it looks sick.
Tint always makes a car look so much better. I'm thinking a black roof now.
Like it matches like all the, you know, like the black and stuff, you know.
Yeah.
Like, oh yeah.
Yeah,
so
this thing looks...
black mirrors too.
Black mirrors, you think?
If you do black roof, go black mirrors, honestly, because they're right on the level of the windows. Yeah. Maybe, honestly.
I'll have to Photoshop it, see how she looks. Hell yeah. All right, boys, we made her back to the shop. Tint is a game changer. It looks so much better. Comment below, wrap the roof black or leave the entire body of the car white. Either way, I think it looks sick. I'm kind of leaning toward a black roof. Comment below. I got the Evo 10 all finished up. She just needed an alignment. I had to adjust the height a little bit on the coilovers. And now I want to go drive this car for the first time since it's polished and looking fresh. Well guys, I think this car is all finished up for the time being. I'm gonna be using her as a nice little daily driver for a while. Fun to have just a nice, simple, clean setup on an Evo 10 again. I miss when my 10 was like this. Full bolt-on, reliable, 350 wheel setup. Excited to test out these brakes. Of course, they gotta break in before I can actually test them, but I'll be sure to update you guys in the future. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Peace out, my friends. I'll see you guys tomorrow.